special occasion, our lighting of the Parol celebration theme, See You Tuloy ang Liwanag, a light that keeps the spirit alive.
Christmas is all about love, sharing, and of course celebrating the spirit of togetherness. It is a perfect time to show our appreciation and be thankful for all the blessings that we have received all throughout the year.
Every first working day of December starts our season at CUDMC. It's an Advent season for CUDMC and the entire world, the Christian world. So, as it's already mentioned that we declare this open, I wish everyone the joy-filled season, not for just ourselves, our co-employees, but also our clients and their relatives. So, let us enjoy the night and mabuhay tayong lahat, maligayang Pasko!
3, 2, 1!